Okay guys, this is Bob White Oranges. This is the old Strawn orange processing facility in West Volusia County, north of Deleon. It was the operation was originally started in 1882. I guess the original structure burned down, and in 1921 they built this. It's been here for almost 100 years now. And this is on the Register of Historic Places. And the place was actually in operation up until 1983. And there was fires here in 2010. So there you go. It's the water tower. This looks like it was like an office building or a residence.
If I could see you just one time, oh how it eased my troubled mind. If I could hold you just one time, and then pretend that you're still mine.
Much here. I don't bring a flashlight with me, so I'll just be able to show you inside the door here. And it's just a bunch of old woodwork stuff that probably came out of the other buildings. They pretty much gutted this place out. It was put on the National Register of Historic Places in 1993. And I guess it was actually up and running until 1983, which is kind of weird. I moved to this neck of the woods in '85. I should have explored it then. But as you can see, there's no machinery left. The last video somebody did, there was all kinds of machinery in here, but that's all gone now. I don't know what they plan on doing with it. Hopefully they'll make a park or something out of it, since it's on the Register of Historic Places. There's a small structure right after the entrance. Again, I didn't bring a flashlight, so I can only show you so much in here. It'll look like it might have been a residence at one time. Nice fireplace. Really nice fireplace. And it looks like it burned. You can see this place is charred, so it burned. Too bad. Look at that, a back-to-back fireplace. How cool is that? This was an old vault door. Check that out. This must have been where they kept the loot. And I've got nothing to show you. What I will do, I will reach in here and grab a piece of paperwork. And that piece of paperwork says 1963. Mr. Chloride Dock, first dock. And this is like a bill, but you can see it's from looks like 63, or I'm sorry, I can't make it out. I'm gonna leave that here. Love this old fireplace. There's another vault door here that's closed, and another one here, another vault, freestanding vault, and a small back room. What's some of this paperwork say? This would be Prentice Hall. This is from 1986. So let's go look at the last building and get the heck out of here before I have no idea other than storage what this was for. Didn't see any way in there. Looks like there's a way to scooch in here. That's all it is. Storage. Took the old window frames. Glad they did that. A lot of stuff they felt was worth saving, they covered up. Look at these old beams. Just the wood in this place is worth a lot of money. But it's good to see that they at least are trying to preserve something, maybe. And when we got here, just a tank and old fire extinguisher. Again, I ain't got a flashlight, so apologize, sports fans. I don't know what's up there. There's no way to get up there. Actually, there is, but I'm not sure I want to go up there. I don't think there's anything up there. Well, there was a way to get up here, and that's the way I got to get down. Old straight up ladder, and the only reason I came up here was because of this. I ain't going to get too close to it because that floor looks like it's going to fall through. But there you go. Who would have thought? Old piano, stand-up piano up here. Other than that, there's nothing up here. There's another deck up. I don't think I'm going up there either. This floor's got me a little concerned. Looks like there's a little shed back here. Nothing in here. Something over here I want to look at. And I got to walk across here. Good luck with that. Floor over here looks even worse. I just saw a mirror over there I wanted to look at. I thought it was a picture, but it's just an old mirror. All right. Like I said, there's another level up, but I ain't going up there. I can see from down here, there ain't nothing up there but pigeon shit. Okay, on my way down. Wish me luck. You know, there it is. The old water tower. Of course, I ain't going up there. Didn't get in there. Didn't see a way to get in. Let me see if this door is open. Don't look like it is. I ain't going to force nothing. Well, you can just see that they've stored more doors and stuff in here. It's good. I'm glad they did that. Stuff's probably worth a few bucks, but it is on the Register of Historic Places, so you'd think they'd keep that stuff in case they wanted to fix anything up, make a park out of it. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. like and subscribe. Have a good day.
If I could see you just one time, oh how it eased my troubled mind. If I could hold you